Hi, I'm Dr. Vaibhav Deraje. I'm a consultant plastic surgeon with Medfin, Bangalore. Nose job or rhinoplasty is a surgical procedure done to improve the appearance of the nose or enhance the features of the nose. Rhinoplasty or nose job is done by either of the two techniques, a open rhinoplasty or a closed rhinoplasty. Now, open rhinoplasty is a procedure where we make a small tiny little cut at the base of the nose over here and then approach the nose to improve the appearance of the nose. Whereas in closed rhinoplasty, there is no external scar here in the columella region of your nose. All the cuts are done inside the nostrils, and that is what is called as a closed rhinoplasty. Now, there are many reasons why someone will seek a rhinoplasty. You could have a hump on the nose, you could have a twisted nose, you could have a very wide and a bulbous tip of your nose, you could have a very wide nose in comparison to your face, and there are much more such indications why someone would choose to undergo a rhinoplasty. The cost of rhinoplasty or nose job predominantly depends upon the complexity of the procedure. In Indian terms, if you see, it could range anywhere between 70 to 80,000 to all the way until 1.5 lakhs. Nose job or rhinoplasty is a permanent procedure. Once we carry out the rhinoplasty, usually the results remain a lifetime. But you will have to be patient to actually find your final result. After the rhinoplasty, you might have to wait for at least 3 to 6 months to get the final result of the procedure. That is mainly because of the swelling in the skin that happens, especially in the Indian skin. So your results of the rhinoplasty is slightly delayed in comparison to somebody having a whiter or fairer skin. So you will have to wait for 3 to 6 months to get your final result after the procedure. But these results usually last a lifetime. Rhinoplasty procedure is done under general anesthesia. So you will be completely unconscious during the procedure and you will not feel any pain during the procedure. We also give a lot of long acting anesthetic medications during the procedure. So immediately after the procedure also you will be reasonably comfortable. The only thing that you might feel is a little bit of soreness and little bit of blockage of the nose. Other than that, you will not have any major pain after the procedure. Depending upon situations, after the procedure, you will either have just a few stickers on your nose. This is what we call as steri-strips after the procedure, or in some scenarios, you might have a splint on the nose. Splint is just a plaster of Paris splint that might be placed on your nose to keep the results intact. Other than that, in very rare circumstances, if the bleeding has been quite extensive during the procedure, we may have also need to pack your nose. So you might not be able to breathe immediately after the procedure through your nose. You might have to breathe through your mouth. So these are the things that are usually to be expected after a rhinoplasty procedure. If you have any further questions about rhinoplasty, please drop in a comment in the comments box or contact us directly.